Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Got the birds out. Assalamu alaikum. It's about a little bit before 7 in the morning. It's probably a little bit under 70 degrees. Great day to get them birds out. If you look, major, definitely a great morning. Everybody's up. Everybody's flying the same direction. Couple of stragglers right there. It's July 1st. There's my flight. Yeah, she's almost a dropper and don't even know it. She don't go nowhere. Even when you chase her up. She flies for about 5 minutes, but that's fine. I ain't got her just to fly anyway. But got 3 on the roof. I really feel sorry for them birds because when we go to toss, everybody's getting kicked out. So they come back. Okay, you'll learn to fly with the group later. I'm just gonna let them fly while it's cool, and we just let them do their thing. It's a total of 53 that I counted last night. Originally started out as 58, but now it's 50. Now it's 53, but really it's only 52 because one of them is a flight, so she's not gonna fly. So a 52 group flying team, and we're gonna see where it goes. All right, short video. Not gonna dwell on it. All right, comment, subscribe. I had the birds up Sunday, early in the morning. Well, not early, I think it was about 8 o'clock. It was over 80 degrees. And I flew them that night around 6:30. So they've been doing a real good flying, majority of them anyway. But appreciate everybody watching, comment, subscribe, do what you do.